Hey guys, in this question we need to select the appropriate group of seeds out of the given options, where a student has to perform the experiment to identify the different parts of an embryo of a dicot seed. So we need to know that the appropriate group of seeds are which can be divided into two parts. That is a seed that can be divided into two parts. And if you see, pea is naturally in two parts, gram as well, but wheat is a single seed, so it cannot be the correct answer. Similarly, maize is not the correct option for this because it is also a single seed. Similarly, this for option C. So by elimination we can see the correct answer to the question is option D. Now you see that red kidney bean, it can be divided into two parts because the seed leaves contain two seed coats inside them. Similarly for pea and gram. So the correct answer is option D.